All right, here we go. We are back doing a randomized wheel spin on the small prize packs. So we've got 8 small prize packs to win. So we're just going to do the same thing as what we've done on the other 2 go round. And again, some of these are going to be the same names as what you've seen in the other ones, but that's because one spin was for attendees, so everybody who came had the opportunity to put their name in for that skimmer prize pack. All of the big prizes and people could earn to put their names in there throughout various things that we had going on at the dealership. And then this one here is for the small prize pack. So again, we've got 8 of these, and same thing, people earned opportunities to put their names in here through various ways throughout the day. So I've put your names all in here, and let's go. We're going for 8 this time. So good luck to everybody that's on the list. All right, the first one, Jeff. So you are going home with a big prize pack and a small prize pack. Congratulations. And number 2, we are going to have Michael Richmond. Congratulations, Michael, and we will be reaching out to make the arrangements to have you pick up your door prize. Number 3. Let's see, who's it going to be? Larry Doan. Great job, because you guys also, you won the door prize, the skimmer door prize pack. So congratulations, you're also getting a small prize pack as well. Number 4. We have Miranda. What is with these households that are winning? Congratulations, you two. On to number 6. And we have... Oh, Sarah Keys, you are getting also a big prize pack and a small prize pack. Congratulations. Number 7. Oh my gosh, I can't count. Number 6, right? I hope. You guys will correct me, I'm sure. All right, Tom Curry, congratulations. We will be in touch with you as well to make your arrangements. And now 7. Hopefully this is 7. Hopefully I don't call one too many. All right, who have we got? Jennifer Davis. Congratulations, Jennifer. We will be in touch with you as well. And final one, if I've miscounted, then I'll do another video and call the final one. But right now I'm saying this is the final one. And that is going to go to Lynn Ingram. Congratulations. So for all of you as well, we do have, I mentioned it in the last video, but we do also have 10 promotional codes from My Boat Card to get a Pleasurecraft operator's license. So that's going to go out to the first 10 people that come in to pick up their prizes. So we will be in touch with everybody, and if you're one of those first 10, then you've got the chance to grab one of those promotional codes for your PCOC. And like I mentioned in the last video too, if you've already got your PCOC, great job, Pleasurecraft operator's card. That is required for you to be driving the boat legally in Canada. So if you've already got it, please pass it along to somebody, a friend or family member that could also use that. Anybody who's operating a boat or a vessel should have one of those. So there's not really an age, minimum age. So as long as they can show competency and pass that test on their own, then it's good for them to use as well. So good luck, everybody. And again, thank you so much.